So here we are at the summer solstice in Maine in Avena's Botanicals beautiful gardens, and it's amazing to me how much growth happens from late April until this beautiful moment of the summer solstice, which is the midpoint between the spring equinox and the fall equinox. So we are in the longest days, and the warmth and light of summer is so magnificent. So for me as a gardener, I always pause at the summer solstice to give such deep thanks for this beautiful moment. It's a pause as the sun has come to her most northern point, and in these next 6 weeks, everything is going to happen in the garden. Like this beautiful Angelica for me, the little tiny beautiful green flowers. This is a sign of the summer solstice, because the Angelica always begins to bloom just before the summer solstice, and she is in full bloom right now, and such a favorite flower of so many tiny little pollinators. So I grow Angelica both because her flowers are so important for feeding pollinators. I love her name, Angelica. To me, she embodies sort of the beauty and magic of kind of the angelic realms that are so important to support plants. So I grow her here because she represents the realm of the angels, of the angelic ones in the garden. And also the seeds are really important because as soon as they go to seed, Angelica seeds want to scatter because they're most viable when they're fresh. Can I talk? Okay. So I like to encourage all gardeners, no matter how big or small your garden is, to consider putting in a few Angelica plants. It is a biennial, so this is the end of her life cycle when she scatters her seeds. These particular Angelicas then will give their seeds so the next generation can come forth. And just as a reminder, it is the root of the first year plants that we use to help support and warm the lungs and the digestive tract. And I always like to remind everybody, sometimes it's just beautiful to grow plants like Angelica because they're just so magnificent and they are such a celebration of the summer solstice. So I really want to wish everybody just a really beautiful summer solstice, and to really pause and give gratitude for the abundance that the earth and the warmth and the light of this time of year give to us.